Hi guys! We are tackling mommy's bedroom today. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
We're doing all of our closets. I did the kids' closets a couple days ago. There's a lot of clothes. Let me give you guys a tour of the piles that we have to work with here. There's a lot of clothing. I don't know where to begin. So I put away like clothes that I don't think I'm gonna be wearing in the near future. I also made piles of donation clothes. And then this is just everything else that just needs to be tackled. Oh my God, let me show you guys the closet space that I have. All right, this is the closet that we're gonna be packing today. This is one side, and then this is the other side. So it's pretty decent amount of closet space, to be honest. The drawers are already filled. We're just doing all of the hanging clothes now. So I ordered these hangers off of Amazon. I will link them down below. And they had the best reviews. They're basically virtually like unbreakable, and they're pretty heavy duty. The problem was I ordered a bunch of wooden hangers because I thought they looked better, but they take up so much space and they're so heavy, and I have so many clothes that I need something that's a little bit more compact so I can fit as many clothes as possible into my closet. So believe it or not, this is like organized chaos. I have a pile of my gowns and my dresses, which I want to hang first, and then I have like my outerwear, my sweaters, my bottoms, my jeans, my sweats.
Mommy, I love this dress. It's gonna be mine soon.
All of my clothes are gonna be yours one day.
And none of them are gonna be for you.
All my clothes are gonna go to you.
I want some of your clothes. This dress is gonna be mine. This dress is gonna be mine. Oh yeah, and this pretty rainbow one. Yeah. Oh yeah, this one.
So the girls think they're helping me, but all they're doing is fighting over which dress is gonna be theirs. They're literally shopping right now.
Right, this is mine.
Which one's gonna be yours?
Mine. Oh, this is gonna be mine because it's super hard.
And which one's yours? And which one's gonna be yours?
That one on the corner is gonna be mine.
All the ones in the corner are Raya's.
And these ones are mine. This one's mine. Mama, I didn't know.
Because it's my sweater and you're little. Good job, Zayden. Oh my God, I love this dress. Little to no progress is being made at the moment. Raya, did you help? How much help have you done?
I'm cute.
You are cute, but you still have to work.
Nope.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Enough.
I ordered like 300.
Yep.
Oh no, I think I ordered like 400. And I was like, I'll return whichever ones I don't need, but I have a feeling I'm probably gonna use them all out. Okay. Hangers. We have lots. See?
This is not yours anymore.
That actually looks really good on him. I actually will let you keep that. That looks dope on you.
Really?
You can keep it. Yeah, that looks really good on you. It's all yours.
I'm gonna go put it in my.
Yeah, go put it in your closet. That is a gorgeous pile, Zarina.
I know.
Gorgeous
Giant
pile.
looking, like daddy.
Gorgeous. Beautiful pile, Zayden.
It is fun!
And what did you do? Nothing as. And nothing as usual over here. Are we getting tired?
Can we go watch iPads?
No, we're almost done. Helping but not helping.
Oh,
Soraya's hanger shop is actually a vibe.
Where can I have
It's
one?
a vibe.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey, let me get one. Thank you for the hangers.
midi formal, long formal, short casual, short dressy,
Where do I put this
long
one?
casual, long formal.
And
Okay,
this
that's
is
the
long
categories.
formal?
Serena, put this in the formal pile.
Formal?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
This is
Formal short.
These ones? Formal shirt?
Yeah.
Ugh, I'm done.
All right, guys, we are in the middle of putting the closet together. It's turning out to be so beautifully organized.
I ain't touching the shoes though.
Why? What's wrong with my shoes? My shoes is clean, brah.
First of all, they're sharp.
I have all the shoes laid out. I kind of organized the winter stuff. I just need to make it look prettier. I'm just kind of like putting everything out to know where I want it roughly. I'll show you guys in a minute. This is the final look. Oh my God. I feel like you can't even really see how nice it really is. with the camera. It's not doing it justice. Let me give you guys a rundown. I just finished up in here. It looks so good. I basically split the closet into two sections. So we have a formal section and we have a casual section. Over here, we have all of our formal and semi-formal midi dresses and mini dresses. And then over here, we have all of our formal and semi-formal long gowns. And it goes all the way back there. I don't know if you can tell, it goes back pretty deep. And it's all color coordinated. The gradient is stunning. And then over here, I have my more kind of fancy formal tops. And over here, I have my kind of casual dresses that I like wearing on vacation. So I left them out. And then this is my personal favorite part of my closet. I have all of my shoes out. I own hundreds of pairs of shoes. I donated several pairs of shoes before putting this video together to fit everything. So let me give you guys a rundown on what's going on over here. All of the nudes over here, nude pumps, nude sandals, and then we have like our formal shoes. And then over here we have our fun summer shoes. And I wanted to keep this whole area kind of vibrant to go with each section. So that's like the summer vibe. And then this is more like the formal vibe. And then when we go from this side to this side of the closet, this is just more of my daily wear. So it has a lot more clothes on this side. A moment for the jeans. Look how gradient and gorgeous that looks. And then these are just like my casual shirts, sweaters, and sweater dresses all the way in the back there. These are all of my kind of daily jumpers and daily sweaters. And then over here I have all of my two-piece sweatsuits and loungewear, and it goes all the way to the back. And then this was really hard for me to put together because there's like probably 100 pairs of shoes squeezed in here. They're all stacked on top of each other. But let me do my best to show you. So this is the sneakers that I actually wear, that I put front and center. And then these are all of my sandals that I need for like vacation and stuff. I wanted to leave it out. And then here we have some boots. And I also wanted to put out some purses that I like to take on vacation. And then we have some more little booties, and we have some more shoes and sneakers stacked on top of each other in the back. And then these are all of my knee-high boots. They're all squeezed back there. I don't know if you can see. And then I have belts, more purses, and then I put out a few of my really cute purses that I just think are really beautiful. And then in the vanity section here, I just have all my daily perfumes. I have all of my workout clothes in here, my socks, some personal items, tank tops and bathing suits. And then the drawers are filled with just more personal clothes. And then I found this really cute chair. It's from HomeSense and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It turned out so freaking nice. And it just brings the whole closet together. Honestly, I feel like I can move into this closet. It's so nice. So this is my closet, finally done. And she's stunning. And then when you go over here, we have Ken's closet.
Welcome to my closet.
It's almost done. I'm putting some finishing touches on it, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Ken's feet are so damn big. I like don't even know how to store half of these shoes. There is no rack big enough. I have been looking.
Just put them downstairs.
Then how will you know what you have? I basically had to like display them on the top of his closet because that's all I can think of.
Putting no dirty shoes above my clothes.
What size is this? It's the size of my leg. Look, it's the size of my thigh. What the ass?
What's wrong with you?
You know what they say about guys with big feet.
What are they saying? Who says what?
Put these up there. Can't reach. Ugh. So Ken has more clothes than I do, I feel, because I've been hanging clothes nonstop, I feel. It's exhausting. But he never wears any of his clothes. He wears the same 5 things.
Hey, I get inspiration from Steve Jobs.
You ain't Steve Jobs, bro.
Yes.
These are all of his pants that he never wears. Those are a pair of Yeezys he's never worn. These are all of his t-shirts. He probably wears like maybe 10 of these and the rest just hang pretty. His sweats he actually wears. I'll give him that. And then more sweats. This section over here are all of his suits and all of his formal shirts that I buy him that he has not worn. I think he's worn maybe 2 of them, but I keep them around. I'm hopeful. I keep getting it for him. Maybe one day he will start to wear them.
I don't do dress clothes.
But we're gonna keep them out as a reminder. So every day when he comes in here, he sees it and he's like, all right, I have formal clothes. Get some inspo.
No.
And then that's the rest of his sweats, more sweats, dress shirts, sweaters, sweats. it's like organized chaos. It makes sense for me. And then those are all of his shoes. And then I also have this little closet over here, which is all of my outerwear. I'll show you guys. So when you come through our bedroom, this is the hallway with the washroom and all of the closets. So this is the outerwear closet. This is just my outerwear, and then Ken's is downstairs. And then you keep going down the hall, and then you come into my closet, and then off to the right is Ken's closet. And I wish the doors like opened outwards. And this one is Zayden's closet. And his little shoe rack he can sit on.
It's cool.
Very cool. And then here he has all of his sweaters, and then his two-piece suits, sweatshirts, and then here he goes into all of his t-shirts and regular shirts, and then here he has all his pants, and then here he has all of his snowsuits and winter jackets. And now we're doing Zariah's closet.
Look at my pillow that my sister made for me. It's a
Wow.
butterfly one.
And purple is your favorite
Yeah.
color. So Zariah has the most clothes out of everybody because she gets all the hand-me-downs from her cousins, my friends' kids, and all of her siblings. These are all of the shoes that belong to the queen. Most of them are, actually probably all of them are hand-me-downs.
That's right.
So she has all her sandals, her runners, and then all of her boots.
Look how pretty these boots look like.
Very pretty.
These ones stay.
No, you know which one's my favorite? These little ballerina sandals. Those are my
Can I
favorite.
wear it for some parties?
Yes, you can. Put them back for now, though.
Looks cute. I want to wear it. This is a princess sparkly dress. This is a pretty dress. This is it. And this is a Wednesday dress.
Very pretty. I love this one. It's like her newest one that she got.
No, I love it.
And this one she's never worn, but this one is from Aliana's birthday, but hopefully she gets to wear it.
Fits me in case. Oh, it fits me good.
And this one is my all-time favorite dress. This is very dirty. I need to have it dry cleaned. But this is Zariah's dress from her first birthday, and it's a whole ass wedding dress. Like, it's literally a wedding dress. It's so beautiful. Winter jackets, snow pants, all of that stuff. And then it goes into her vests, and then like her raincoats, her sweaters, her fur, and then this goes into all of her two-piece sweats. And then it goes into sweater dresses. And then this goes into all her casual dresses and skirts, all of her robes. Raya loves robes. And then those are all of her, just like her sweaters that I fold and I put in there.
Talk to them now?
And then those are all her long sleeve shirts and short sleeve shirts.
Can I talk
Yeah,
to them?
you can talk.
Okay, so I have these robes. Look at this Mario thing on this one.
Very pretty and very cool. Okay, come on, let's finish showing them. Those are her socks and her leggings. And then in here she has all of her pajamas. She has a lot of pajamas.
Let me show them my favorite one.
Which one's your favorite one?
This one
The Paw Patrol?
and these two.
Oh, the purple one. Very pretty choices.
unicorn.
And then we have all of her pants in here. So I put all the colorful ones in the back, her black ones, and then all just her
This is my favorite.
daily cotton pants. And then down here, we have all of her denim. Lots of denim. All right, now we've made our way over to Miss Aliana's closet.
Ew.
So over here, we have all of her shirts. These are all of her tops. And then over here are all of her daily sweaters. And then over here, we have all of her fancy dresses.
Fancy.
And then here we have her daily dresses. And then those are all of her pants. A lot of them are stacked on the same finger. Then we have her jumpers, her snow pants. And then we have all of her outerwear over here.
This is my shoe rack. And I like my shoes because they're gorgeous, obviously. Not all my shoes fit on it, so soon I'm gonna get a new shoe rack.
So these are all of her drawers. You can start at the bottom. We have all of her. Okay, so here we have all of her leggings.
Yeah, my leg
Those
out.
go in. And those are all of her socks. That drawer is private. And then over here, we have all of her gloves, her earmuffs. And then we have all of her hats and her caps. And then Raya's hats and gloves I put in here as well, just because I like having all of the girls' accessories in the same spot.
Although these two are mine.
Yes, those are yours. So these are all of Raya's gloves. And then these are all of Raya's hats.
Tired
All
now.
right, guys, we are all We are done. Guys, I hope you've been enjoying all of these home videos on YouTube. I post way more on Instagram and TikTok, so if you guys want to follow us there. But for now...
We picked up on shorts though.
Yeah, we do post on shorts a lot. But for now, we will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe. Bye.